Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start inside Snapchat, open your profile, then tap Settings. Once done, make sure you're on the correct account because changes apply to that profile. In Settings, go to Account Actions or Manage Preferences to find Spotlight-related options. You want to locate any entries labeled Spotlight, Spotlight Submissions, or Permissions. Tap into those right away so you can see submitted content, permissions granted to Spotlight, and any linked features. This initial pass prepares you to remove content and opt out cleanly. Now remove what was submitted and cut off future submissions. First, open Spotlight Submissions and delete every clip you uploaded. Snapchat treats deletions as removal from Spotlight. Next, revoke permissions. Go to Permissions, turn off Spotlight, camera, mic, or storage access as needed to prevent automatic loads. Also check connected apps or third-party connections and remove any services that can push content to Spotlight. After that, double-check auto-submit toggles and make sure they're switched off so nothing up. Finish by signing out and restarting the app to force settings to refresh. When you sign back in, verify no Spotlight submissions remain and the Spotlight toggle is off. If deleted items still appear or the option persists, contact Snapchat support from Settings I need help and request removal. Include submission ID or timestamps. One troubleshooting tip: if deletions don't stick, clear app cache or reinstall the app, because stale cache can show old content even after removal. Always back up needed snaps before deleting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.